to Bake It Up! Ciao a tutti ragazzi! Today we are going to be making Nutella Crumble Tart. Here we have flour. You only need one bowl, and we are going to add to the flour all the dry ingredients, which is oatmeal, it is baking powder, and salt, the granulated sugar, white sugar, and the brown sugar. You get your whisk. It just makes it easier. Okay, so once this is done, we are going to add our butter, melted butter. Better if you melt it a little bit earlier so it's not too hot. Hi Marilyn, I see you. Conley again. Ciao, ciao, ciao Alessio. Speriamo che se guardi sta ricetta riesci a farla anche tu. È una sbrisolona fantastica, come si chiama in Italy we call this Sbrisolona. Here we call it tart or crumble tart. In this Sbrisolona or crumble tart, you can actually, the filling can be anything. So I'm going to use today Nutella, because hey, Nutella is Nutella. But what I do usually is custard, pastry cream, jam, really anything you like. Here we have our dry ingredients, and as you see, I added the butter, the melted butter, and some vanilla. So remember also that yesterday I have posted one video, one new recipe on YouTube, and it's peanut butter, chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, up to you, cookies. It's very well explained, and remember to subscribe, because that is very important. There are classes posted, there are videos posted every week. You can use your hand just to make sure that everything is evenly combined. And there you go. So half, as we said, it goes in a pan, which in this case is 8 inches. You can use a 9 one. I wouldn't go with anything bigger, otherwise your tart will be too thin. All right, we are ready. So this is what you want, okay? A little bit of, you want this to be a little bit high on the side, on the edge, because it has to hold the filling. And now this goes into the oven, and you have to bake it for 15 minutes at 350-355 degrees. I have made the crust already, and it's been baked, and I have my crust in my 9 inches tart pan. Oh, it smells delicious. And now we are going to add our Nutella, and we are going to place our 1 pound Nutella and on top of our baked already crust, okay? So Nutella, a lot of Nutella, guys. You don't want to be too shy when it comes to Nutella, right? And if you are Italian, you know what I am talking about. Any questions? Let me know, where are you watching from? If you have any question, make sure that you write it down in the comment section below, guys. Instagram. I'm so happy. I'm very comfortable with doing lives on Facebook. Instagram, it is basically my very first time, and I hope you are going to join me on the next workshop as well. So here we have our Nutella, and now we are going to place on top the remaining part, right, which is the crumble. Look how beautiful it is, and it smells so good. Make sure you use a high quality of butter, okay? Do we have a question, I guess?
Yes, so somebody's asking how sweet it is the finished pastry, or does it depend on how sweet you want it to be?
It's not super sweet because in this case, yeah, there is a lot of sugar, and this is why you don't want to go with fillings that are too sweet. However, this is not too sweet really. At the end we are going to put some icing sugar. Maybe what you want to do is not to put icing sugar, or you can just go with less filling. But I will suggest you, because a lot of people come and say, hey, can I change this, can I change that? I will suggest you not to change the recipe, okay? Just make the recipe the way it is. And then if you want to make any adjustment, which is what I do all the time, because I have my own taste, and for sure you guys have your own taste, you can tell me, you can actually change the recipe, right? You can make some kind of adjustment. So, but this one, bottom line, no, it is not really sweet. Again, if you find it too sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar, but not too much, okay? All right, so guys, this is how it's supposed to look like. And now this is ready to go back in the oven at 350 degrees, but you want to place this tart to the highest level of your oven, because we mainly want to bake the top and the crumbs here, right? So, and this is going to stay in the oven, bake in the oven for another 20-25 minutes. All right, and here we have it, guys. All we need, it is icing sugar on top. Are we ready? Sounds on, guys. Super crunchy. Oh wow. Oh, how does it look like? It's a lot of Nutella, guys. Oh wow. I'm super happy about this tart, and let's see. The filling, the amount of filling is perfect, okay? You can go with something else, but just stay with about 1 pound when it comes to the filling. And it is very crunchy because we use oatmeal. Guys, it's fantastic. So what do you think about this recipe? I'm gonna have this one with some coffee, of course. And it is delicious. Thank you so